Weather radio station KIG86 Chillicothe, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hockey, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Denton. This concludes the weekly test of the weather radio station KIG86 Chillicothe, Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under fair skies. The temperature was 30